Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Minister Health, Dr. Azra Fazil Pechuo, our host here today, Dr. Fazla Pechuo, respected doctors, healthcare professionals, management of the Ultimi Research and Diagnostic Laboratory, representative of the UAE Consulate, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. It's given me great pleasure to be here today at the inauguration of the Ultimi Research and Diagnostic Laboratory. I'm pleased to see the initiative that it is focused on strengthening diagnostic services and supporting better healthcare for our people. Laboratory diagnostics play a vital role in modern medicine. Accurate and timely results help doctors make the right decision, begin treatment without delay, and improve patient outcomes. I appreciate the vision behind this laboratory, that is to provide reliable, timely, affordable, and high-quality diagnostic services. I am especially pleased to know that the laboratory aims to use modern technology, maintain high professional standards, and ensure a short turnaround time for patients and doctors. Such initiatives are important for Pakistan and indeed for the province of Sindh. While the government continues to work for improvement of public healthcare infrastructure, the contribution of responsible private institutions is also essential. Together, the public and private sectors can expand access to quality healthcare and to bring modern medical services closer to the people. I'll take this opportunity to say a few words about the initiatives taken by the government of Sindh on the healthcare side. Over the last several years, we've tried to improve the health services which we are providing to the residents of this province. And I'm very glad to tell you that especially in the last 7 to 8 years or so, under the Health Minister, Dr. Azra Pechuo Sahiba, we've been able to expand our services, especially in the tertiary healthcare. Health department now has the second highest allocation in the provincial budget after education. It was not so a few years ago, but we've increased the allocations to health, and we've been able to build institutions like NICVD. Dr. Tahir is here. We've contributed a lot to the expansion of SIUT, the Gambut Institute of Medical Sciences. We've also worked with the private sector. Dr. Fazil Pechuo Sahab spoke about the public-private partnership initiative. This initiative was actually started before I took over. At that time, the finance minister, Fazil Saab, was the finance secretary. And at that time, this initiative was started back in 2009, if I remember correctly. And we have expanded that, and we have expanded that to the service sector. Initially, it was only in the infrastructure sector, but I'll just talk about health. In the health sector, we are teaming up with organizations like Child Life Foundation, which provides emergency pediatric services. We are working with Indus Hospital. We are their biggest donors of the Indus, our biggest partners. I don't want to call ourselves donors because I've always told them that we are your partners. So we're the biggest partners of the Indus Health Network. And there's several. We started off long time back, and I think Dr. Fazal started that. This was in Jinnah Hospital, the tagging services for newborns, which was started in 2009 or something. There was an issue of missing babies or babies, stealing babies actually at that time. So we've done that. Apart from that, as I said, in the last few years, NICVD has been there for a long time. We made the SICVD when we had the problems with the federal government. we've really turned around the National Institute of Child Health. Now we call it, it's no, National Institute of Child Health is probably 10% of what the federal government, what we have right now, 10% of it was left by the federal government. Now we've got the Sindh Institute of Child Health and Neonatology, and I'm very proud to say that we've been able to provide services for children, pediatric services in several cities of the province. It was just limited to one small, not a small, it was a sizable size unit in Karachi near the Jinnah Hospital. But now our SICHN covers the entire province. And especially, if I'd really like you doctors, I don't know, some of you might have visited our facilities. If you go and see at the Children's Hospital in Sakhar, which the Koreans had helped us build, and SICHN is running it now. I can safely say that it is at par with any facility globally. I talked about the Child Life Foundation. Child Life Foundation, which is a partner of the government of Sindh, they work in the public-private partnership. The infant mortality rate in Child Life Foundation, in the patients that come there, I've forgotten numbers now, but it was at par. It was actually better than Aga Khan Hospital, if I remember correctly. And it is like 10 times the size of Aga Khan Hospital, the facilities that we have. Recently, they won an award in COP29 in Dubai a few years ago. When they got an award, they came in second. The first was, I've forgotten which country. The Child Life Foundation, a partner of the Sindh government, came in second. And just recently, and I believe it's just right now, they've been awarded another international award, which is being presented to them at Oxford University as in the days that we speak here. So, as I said, we're proud of the work that we've done in the health department. There's a lot of room for improvement. We're working on that. And enterprises like the Ultimi Research and Diagnostic laboratories would help us in achieving our targets to provide cheap health care to the residents of this province. I've been told that because of the technology that they're bringing in, because of the hard bargaining that they've done with the suppliers, their costs will be lower than what are being given by the other diagnostic services. So I thank them for that. This province, the people of this province really do need cheap health services, and this would be a step in this direction. I would like to congratulate the management, the doctors, the technical staff, and everyone involved in establishing this laboratory. Your dedication, investment, and commitment to patient care are commendable. I hope that Ultimi Research and Diagnostic Laboratory will become a center of excellence in laboratory diagnostics and contribute meaningfully to healthcare advancement in our province. On this occasion, I assure you that the Government of Sindh will continue to encourage initiatives that improve healthcare services, promote scientific advancements, and benefit the people. Once again, I congratulate Dr. Fazla Pechua, his partners, his workers, his technicians on this excellent initiative that they've taken, and I wish them all the success. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.